guys, today I will show you how to exactly solve a Rubik's Cube. The great thing about this is that it is hard, but not too hard to learn. So if you're just want to have a little bit of fun or something like this, you can easily have it with just a Rubik's Cube. And I will teach you how you can solve the classic normal Rubik's Cube, so it's not even so hard because now I've already solved this cube. Have fun with the tutorial! Okay, the most people start with the white cross, so I will also do that. How you can do that is actually easily. There's nothing really like a rule. You can just build a flower like this. Looks a bit like this flower from the outside. And now you look for the edges that they fit. The color should be the same with the middle stone, and then you turn them around. That you get here this cross. So for example, turn this orange stone to the orange middle, bring them down, and you do that just with every stone, and the last one just like this. Oh no, not the last one, like this. So okay, now you've built a cross, and they are always fitting with the middle. If you got that, we will now make the corners. Let's start with this corner. This is blue, orange, yellow, no, white, and then you bring it to blue, orange, white. There you want to bring this corner at this place. This position and this is almost the same, so the stone is now at the left side, so now you turn it to the right, and now always this lift comes up, you bring the stone in, and this elevator goes down. I like to use this picture storytelling like this. If the stone is on the right, then you're just putting to the left, because it was on the right. It's on the right, so it goes to the left. This lift comes up, you place the stone in, and the elevator can go down. Corner red, blue, white. Red, blue, white. We bring it over the corner where we want to have the stone. And now it's on the right, so the stone goes to the left. And now I like to use picture storytelling for better learning how to do the algorithm. So it was on the right, it goes to the left, or he goes to the left direction. Then this elevator goes up. You can go back in the elevator and it drives down like this. Let's practice that one more time. It is on the right side. He goes to the left. Elevator comes up. He goes in. And the elevator goes down. The other option is that the stone is on the left or here. So if it's not on the right, it's on the left, then we turn it to the right. This elevator comes up. It's always this elevator. The stone goes in, and the elevator can go back like this. Now, the third option is that the stone is correct there, but somehow twirled. And don't just do something like this, because you can destroy the cube with it. So be careful. Then you can just lift up. And now if you look from this point of view, then this white thing is left. So if it is left, it goes to the right. Like this. And then you can just put it in like this. Or if it's on the right, then it now goes to the left. And then you can just put it in just like this. Okay, now I'll show you the last way, the last option. If the white stone is somewhere here at the top, wherever it is, we bring it to the position that it's over the stone where the white stone shall be. And now the elevator goes up, you twirl twice, because now the stone is here, the elevator goes down, and now we can simply put it in. It is on the left, so it goes to the right, elevator comes up, the stone comes into the elevator, and he goes down. And now we finished the white surface and everything else, and the middle stone is always fitting, so if you have something like this, turn it like this. Okay, now we will not do the second color, and then the third, and then the next. That is what a lot of people think, but it's not true. We will do then the second circle, okay? So we search, for example, for this blue-red stone, edge stone, and then we search for blue and red. And if we're looking from this position, then the stone fits, so the color of the stone fits with the middle stone, and now it's on the left. And this is the second rule, so we also have a second rule. Now it's on the left and it further goes to the left. So, like this. Then the lift comes up. He wants to go in, but he couldn't, and the lift goes down. And then he's very sad and goes in the other direction because he thinks, yeah, maybe then he could reach the elevator. And then another elevator goes up. It's always the elevator on the side where he was at the beginning. This goes up, there he can go in, and then the elevator goes down, and we've put it in this stone. Again, the stone is on the left, so it goes to the left, elevator goes up. He wants to reach it, but he wasn't fast enough, and the stone goes in the other direction. Elevator goes up, he can come in, and the elevator goes down. Okay, now the stone's color is the same as with the middle stone, so it's now on the right, so it goes to the right, correct. And now the other elevator goes up, so always the elevator where the stone isn't. So he is here, he was here, because now he isn't. Elevator comes up, he wants to reach it, but he was too slowly. Then he's very unhappy, goes in the other direction. Then the other elevator comes up, the one where he was at the beginning. He can go in, and the elevator goes down. Okay, one more practice, it's on the right. To the right he goes, he wants to reach the elevator, was too slowly, and then very unhappy he goes in the other direction, and can go in like this. And now we've done the second row. Okay, now we've got the second row, and just to practice this one time more, I will explain to you one time more, because maybe you haven't understood that completely. And if you want a picture describing of that, in the description is a little picture describing or explanation of how to solve the Rubik's Cube up to this position. The second part will come soon about the last surface, the yellow one. And yeah, here you can see it once. I will show you like a picture. Okay, let's continue. We do the cross. I'll start now with the white one. Actually, for a long time, I've always did the yellow cross first, but now I'll do that at the end. We got the cross. We've got the cross, so we will now do the edges, like this. Here goes a full stone. You can just put it out like this. And now the stone is on the right, so it goes to the left, elevator, in, finish. Again, on the right, it goes to the left, goes in the elevator, finish. Now he's once at the left side, he goes to the right, elevator, in, finish. And now the edges. He's on the left, on the right, so it goes to the right, second row, second rule, elevator comes up, he wasn't fast enough, very sad, he goes in the other direction, other elevator, and he can go in. Now we have a problem. There's a stone, false, there's a stone, this stone shall be here, and this stone shall be there. Then we can just put in, for example, this stone, where this stone is. We just pretend this would be the right, or the correct stone, and then we just do exactly the same thing. And now we've got out this one stone, can therewith make this one free. And the stone can then come into here. Just like this. And now the last stone, we put it out like this. And then we can put it in. It's on the left, so it goes to the left. Elevator, it wasn't fast enough. Very unhappy, it goes in the other direction. Another elevator comes up, it can go in. Elevator goes down. And we've got the second row. Isn't that cool? Now you can solve the most of the cube, and how to solve the rest of this cube I will tell you in the next part of solving the Rubik's Cube. Have fun!